Perodua Alza 2018 version SE, installed for Onebiz, 6.95 inch Android GPS HD DVD player with Gogo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, 6.95 inch Toyota Universal Android DVD player. So it's from left to right is 20 cm. It's good fitting. This is original Alza 2018 casing. Okay, let me show you for reverse. Gogo reverse. Gogo Night View Plus reverse camera. Full menu, car setting, easy connect for mirror link. Okay, file manager to manage your file, so you can insert a USB. So it's two USB slot, one in the front, another USB extension we'll put in a drawer, SD card slot, DVD slot, DVD CD, reset, and a small hole for, this is reset and small hole for the mic input. Okay, Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling. Then click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Play Store, log in your Gmail account. Suggest for register a new Gmail account. Okay, to download app from Play Store, Waze, YouTube, Spotify, touch assistant, styling control. So you can do your setting for styling control. Radio. Choose the frequency you want. FM2, FM3, AM, back to FM1. Setting. Equalizer adjustment. Equalizer preset, factory setting, password 3368. Okay, so Android player, you have to turn on your phone hotspot, connect with player Wi-Fi for internet. This is 1 GB RAM with 16 GB storage, Android version 6.0. Okay, 6.95 inch Android GPS Toyota Universal DVD player, OEM power socket plug and play, and OEM styling control socket plug and play. For Perodua Alza 2018, install and video by Onebiz. Thank you.